Hello, everybody. Thank you for being here today. Welcome, my audience. So today, for my persuasive speech, I will be talking about Wildlife Conservation Network. Every being in this planet has an important role in the ecosystem, from a small bee to an elephant. They all are vital to the planet. Wildlife conservation focuses on conservation goals that collaborate with different funders. They invest based on data and science. They are concerned with small species extinction as well as large species extinction. It is a very wide and organized network with the focus to fund conservationists and conserve endangered wildlife. It is our duty to help protect our wildlife. Due to human overpopulation, greenhouse gases, toxic discharge in the environment, and other human activities, we have put many wildlife at risk and endangered. I do my best to stay informed in ways to help our wildlife and the environment, from things from like recycling or eating less red meat, planting trees, simple ways that we can all cooperate and help coexist with other beings. But on my search to find other ways to help, I came across Wildlife Network. You can support the network by donating, which all the money goes 100% to help the network. What I also liked about Wildlife Network is that the conservationists also help local people by informing them of the importance of wildlife conservation and how they can help and coexist with them. Wildlife Conservation Network has 17 conservation partners that dedicate their time to help preserve wildlife. They have many amazing projects around the world. For example, the Okapi Conservation Project removed 4,822 snores and arrested 170 poachers within the Okapi Wildlife Reserve in the Dominican Republic of Congo. Okay. They also engage and inform children. The Save the Elephants program has engaged 4,000 children on educational activities in northern Kenya, and they gave them more than 170 elephant scholarships to the students. In 2019, Ethiopian Wolf Conservation Program prevented rabies outbreaks by vaccinating Ethiopian wolves from 18 dens, as well as 3,500 domestic dogs in 34 villages near the wolf habitat. The Salga antelope population has grown by 55%, the highest it's been in 20 years. So they have many different ways and events on how they can help. And you can help just by sharing on social media their information. You can attend their events, donate, fundraise, volunteer, and you can even become an event exhibitor. And it's really cool how they also help the locals. They have different projects. One of them that caught my attention was Proyecto Titi, which helps female Colombian artisans create stuffed animals and handbags out of recycled bags, which they sell to tourists. These kind of projects have really helped secure and improve living conditions for locals. So I just mentioned some of the awesome things that wildlife conservation does for our wildlife and even local communities to help protect wildlife. I do believe that it is our duty to help protect our wildlife, and I encourage you all to at least check out the organization and learn more about its network and the great things they do. Their website is called wildnet.org. And like I mentioned, 100% of the funds do go to help the conservationists. And when you go in their website, they have tons of programs, events, information, statistics on how they have helped throughout the years. It's a really cool organization that I just discovered not too long ago, and I'm really excited it really inspired me to donate and even to just learn in general about it more. So it is definitely worth checking out because, like I said, I mean, they already made so much improvement in the wildlife rehabilitations and endangered species and programs for locals and everybody. So yeah, I encourage everybody to take the time and do the research on the network. They do great things. They help so many species and everywhere around the world. They are very inspiring. So take a second to check them out. Thank you everybody for being here today. Acabamos.
Sabes inglés, ¿verdad?
Thank you everybody.